Hi, I'm Wongster1970, and today I'm going to be installing this QuadLock handlebar mount on the 2006 Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic. Let's get started. This is what I've got. I got a case for the S25 Ultra. This is the brake clutch mount and a vibration dampener. Vibration dampener is already installed. I'll show you how that goes on. This is the vibration dampener. Comes with thread locker already on it. And then that should go and there we go. Handlebar mount came with this tool and these bolts. And the instructions show taking the 2 bolts out of either the throttle control or the clutch lever control, and then install these 2 bolts with these spacers and then tighten it back down. So it looks like you're supposed to tighten it down, tighten the manufacturer recommended torque. Yeah, this takes a T25 Torx. Hopefully I can just remove these and it won't fall apart on me. That's good. Let's get the other bolts to get that mount on there. I'm going to have to change the orientation of this. This is how it would be for the right hand side, but I want to get it so that it's like this, but I got to switch this whole lever around. So what I'm going to do is just loosen this. This tool makes it slow. Put it like that. Turn that back down. I still need some adjustment, but that's how it's going to go. Get my other part. Okay, so this is going to go in here. Adjust this some more. I got a different view here. You can see a little bit better. I'm going to I got the bolt through the adapter, putting the spacer on, and then this will go on just like that. If I can't get it started. Put this one on with the spacer. Let me get a socket on there. Okay, this takes a 10mm socket. Let me get my torque wrench. I'm going to set these to 35 inch-pounds. maybe 30. Yeah, 30 inch-pounds. That seems to be good. So now I'm going to reposition this to where I want it. I think that looks pretty good there. I'm just going to tighten this Allen up. I went back through on these. I noticed the upper one was a little loose. So double check to make sure that the hole depth, the hole was deep enough that I could torque it up. I get the bolt in there the whole way, and I have them torqued now to 40 inch-pounds. And that seems to be pretty good. Now let's see if I can get this adjusted right. Since this is a Harley, and I thought these might be standard bolts, I double checked them, and these are the correct thread and pitch for this. Because it would have irritated me if I would have found out, oh, I put metric bolts in a standard hole. So now we got that on there. Let's see if we can see the phone. Push the, to put the phone on there, you push this back, and there it is. I don't think that'll interfere with anything. Looks pretty straight. Might tilt it up a little bit. That'll do it for installing the QuadLock clutch and brake handlebar mount on the 2006 Ultra Classic Harley Davidson. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.